Hey guys, so today I have an exciting product and I have something in my ear. So today I have Acefast ACECLIP Pro open ear earbuds and they're absolutely gorgeous and they come in this little tiny case, really portable. It's super slim as well. So what I really enjoy about this open ear earbud is that they don't like stick right into the ear. Instead, they actually just slide it in and place very gently. So I think it's actually, very healthy for your ears while you enjoy listening to music. And actually it's my multiple times reviewing Acefast open ear products and they're really good at making them. What's inside the box? Open the box. So today I have two colors, but actually there are three colors in the same product: black, cream, and also white. And my favorite thing about this Acefast ACECLIP Pro is that it is super comfortable. So this clip-on, it just clips on the ear, and this material is made with ultra soft, skin-friendly liquid silicone. So it's actually really sort of flexible. It feels really nice and soft. And this semi-arc design inside, there is 0.58 millimeter, really thin but strong memory titanium wire that's actually tested. So this like bending test, I'm not gonna bend it crazy, but they've done the proper bending test 9,000 times. So it's extremely durable. You can just slide it into your ear without any problem. And it's gonna last you, I don't know, a very long time without any problem. The open ear earbud, I love that it's breathable, it's flexible, so there's no pressure on my ear. And you can still enjoy music without any problem. And if you're wondering if open earbud is good for running, I'll show you. And let me just jump. And yes, I can still hear music really well. I do have music played on. And let me just have my microphone stick here to see if there's any music leakage. Can you hear any music? I'm hearing my own music. But I don't think you're hearing anything. So yeah, you can definitely take it to busy subway, busy street, and no one's gonna listen to what you're listening to. And when you're in the outdoor doing different activities, when you hear a noise, you hear a lot of birds or you hear a lot of traffic, then you have no problem with this new Acefast ACECLIP Pro. Because when you go into the app, you will notice, let me connect, the outdoor boost mode, which is switched on. It's actually switched on by default. So with this outdoor boost mode and also the 3-time larger driver here, it really ensures that you're listening to your music without any problem, even in a very noisy environment. Okay, so right now I have the black color on, which also looks really sleek and nice. So I'm going to quickly tell you about the specific specs of the sound quality. For clip-on earbud, it has one of the industry's largest 20 times 8 millimeter performance driver. So what I mean by 20 times 8 millimeter high performance driver, so it is typically 3 times larger than what you would find in other clip-on earbuds. And so far for its price, and the price is really competitive, so don't forget to check out the link down below. But for the price, I find the sound quality is pretty good. And how about the battery life? The battery life is extremely long because it's such a small device. It doesn't take up too much power. So it says 400 mAh in the case here. But because it's such a tiny little device, it doesn't take up too much power. So the operating time in the spec sheet, it says 28 hours, up to 28 hours, which is incredible. And these little case, they work as a charging case. So if you're running out of battery in the earbud, you just place them in here. So this is the right one. So you just place it in. It's actually sort of magnetic, so it doesn't drop, which is amazing. So if you charge up for 10 minutes, then it will last back up to 90 minutes. So let me say that again. So if you're running out of battery here, you just plug it in, and if you just leave it in the charging case for 10 minutes, then it will get new juice up to 90 minutes, which is incredible. It's so convenient. And when you're charging, there is a beautiful indicator LED light. I have to say the magnetic strength of attaching the earbuds to the charging case is very, very strong. And that might be because the earbuds only weigh 6.5 grams. So really, really light. Okay, so right now I have both colored earbud because I couldn't decide which one I like better. The black one is really sleek, and also this cream color is so pretty, and both are super easy to use because at the back, so on this side here, that's where you click to control. So if I double click, then I start hearing music, and if I double click, it will pause. So it might be a little bit hard to see, but if I double click, it goes to pause, and if I double click, then it will play again. 1, 2, 3. And then it's turned to the previous track. But you can change all these features on the phone. So here, double click, it says play and pause, and default mode of triple click is previous track. But you can actually change it as you need. So let me actually have the screen capture here to show you double click, triple click, what mode you can change into. You can even change into like the voice assistant mode, game mode, volume up and down, and so on. And you can also choose not to have any features if you wish. And inside the app, you actually have a lot more features. So this is the home page. I'm just gonna have the screen recording here. I'm actually screen recording right now. So as I've previously shown you, there is the outdoor boost. So you can turn on and off, and also the equalizer, original sound, but you can also go for the bass, voice and bass. But there is voice and also bass, but I'm just gonna go back to the original sound. Why not? And if you go back a menu, there's the button setting that I've shown you in detail. There's the game mode, schedule shutdown. So you can actually set the hours and minutes that you want to shut down your earbud, but I don't really need that right now. Touch feed sound, and also find device mode. So with this Acefast app, you can locate, where the earbud. It says, please do not wear headphone to avoid affecting your health. So I'm just gonna stop this mode right now. And also there's the product manual as well. So in the app, there are so many useful features for you to maximize using your earbud. Which color do you prefer? So even with a hat, it totally works fine. Now I'm gonna call and see how's the sound like. Hello, where are you? Oh, okay. So right now the earbud is actually connected to my cream color earbud, and the phone sound really clear. I can definitely talk to the person, the other person totally heard me all right. So yeah, the Acefast ACECLIP Pro, it works really well for phone calls as well. So if you guys are looking for a very good solid wireless ear clip earbud, then definitely do check out Acefast brand, and this particular model is Acefast ACECLIP Pro. They are super duper light and super durable as well, and at a very affordable price. So don't forget to check out the link down below for more detail, and I'll be back with other gadget review. So see you.